creating some distance from the customary digital currencies. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade robotized market creator to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Likewise, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the remarkable elements of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two savvy agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has a novel component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. In a way, it advances straightforwardness dispensing with the brokers or consent completely. Subsequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Subsequently, the liquidity gets administered for these parts likewise. As a decentralized convention for mechanized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was sorcery for that multitude of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While surprising the crypto world, an influx of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to itemized Uniswap cost forecast. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the mechanical and practical ecospace. Uni supports trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost unbiasedly viz. The connection among organic market is the deep-rooted peculiarity of inconsistent connection works for Uni token. Merchants come to showcase with desires that the Uniswap cryptographic money market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. In any case, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting methodologies or any elective ebb and flow venture choice. In the event that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be smart for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a tremendous scope. No big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stock might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will serious areas of strength for show. To comprehend the value variances of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past narrative of Uniswap. There is potential for solidifying patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher opinion. As per Uniswap conjecture, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 for the time being. Uniswap has accomplished one of the best 10 situations in digital currencies this year. And as per Uniswap cost expectations, the exhibition may be completely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. As per Uniswap cost expectation, Uniswap could fill triple in 6 years, say by 2026. In the following 5 years, it ought to have an unmistakable meeting around $30 to $40. As indicated by Uniswap value expectation and specialized examination, it appears Uniswap is happy. It at present exchanges at very nearly multiple times more than beginning in 2022. So this pattern proceeds with will be seen till December 2022, and the cost might go up to $9.38. The ongoing cost of Uni is above $10, with the computerized resource Uni token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563. It is without a doubt a hopefulness in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in view of Uniswap cost figure. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have tremendous contrast. Uniswap value forecast 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves going ahead into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a quick sharp remedy toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the main year, as indicated by Uni cost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value expectation 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some obstruction, yet it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of Uni concerning whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency Uni. There could be a few massive changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, financial overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its exhibition on trade. Uni, be that as it may, is known to be versatile and reliable both. Worldwide financial matters may too significantly affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap forecast, the base cost would reach to $14 and greatest cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value forecast 2024. In the principal, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Area explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap, consequently coming towards its advanced objectives. One thing that can be ensured about the Uni token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having changed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, Uni token sets out on the journey of leaving a surprising impression on this environment. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. According to Uniswap Value Expectation and our own exploration, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that Uni would ride the buyer market by 2025. Uni could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, certifying its position showing dependability. As per Uniswap forecast, in the primary half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. As indicated by Uni cost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the primary half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap figure fascination for dealers and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into UniKitty. And we could see positive cost change. Uniswap, a rising end. As indicated by Uniswap cost expectation, there are extraordinary expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is unquestionably an ideal instrument for designers and architects producing all the more such decentralized applications. Taking into account Uniswap is a new undertaking and guileless locally, it ultimately depends on the initiative group to provide it the ideal guidance to upgrade the objectives set with the end goal of a greater cost. There are more splendid skylines, yet everything reduces to the reality how the whole computerized cash industry flourishes. Really take a look at here are other long-haul digital currency forecasts. As of now, the exchanging volume of Uniswap is $1,229,613,764 and the market cap of $21,045,755,194 in the crypto market. The ongoing cost of Uniswap is $10.26, on the off chance that steadfast financial backers stay firm in their confidence in the money. The Uni token cost is without a doubt going to rise and have a brilliant future ahead. An expected level of effort is likewise exhorted with protected by copyright law. For what reason in all actuality do individuals trust Uni? Individuals have become mindful that one cannot turn a very rich person short-term and they need to safeguard themselves from cheats. Thus they purchase tokens in view of the genuine exhibition of the resource on the trade. This is even more justification behind you to place cash in Uni. Will antivirus block my signing into Uniswap? Any obscure programming is regularly trailed by an enemy of infection trigger. You can make an exemption in your framework for a similar in light of your perusing experience. Then again, you can place in your KYC verification to continue. Why Uni is rising? The credit for that goes to the